Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Josh Club's YouTube channel. We are starting with summary videos of some of the best self-help books. Recently, we had gone through one of the best book that I received from Amazon.com. Name of that book is Focus on What Matters. These are 5 important learnings from the book. 1. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Focusing on what truly matters often involves simplifying your life and priorities. 2. You can do anything but not everything. Emphasizing the importance of setting clear priorities and not spreading yourself too thin. 3. Your time is your life. That's why the greatest gift you can give someone is your time. Highlighting the significance of spending time on what matters most, including relationships. 4. Clarity breeds mastery. When you're clear about your goals and priorities, you can achieve mastery in those areas. 5. The most precious resource we all have is time, reminding us that time is limited and it's crucial to allocate it wisely. Thank you.